Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can redeem codes on Marvel Strike Force. So here you want to head onto their website, it's called marvelstrikeforce.com, and in here you want to log into your account first, so make sure you log into the account you use in your phone to play this game. Okay, so once after logging in, you want to head on to here to the top right of the web page and click on your profile and see you're going to see your profile here, and then you want to head on to player GIF. After heading to player GIF, you will see this. You can redeem your codes here, so make sure to search any codes you want. So yeah, and make sure to type the codes here. So yeah, once you redeem it, go back to your game and check on your mail. And that's how you redeem codes on Marvel Strike Force.